So I'm watching Pro Tools just bounce up and down and up and down. Crazy. This morning I did 4 mastering sessions, had some lunch, went for a walk, came back to open up a mix. It crashed Pro Tools, which is whatever. Pro Tools crashes most of the time. In between sets, well, not most of the time, being a bit melodramatic there. It crashes and you just sort of get over it, you reopen it and you're good to go. But it didn't reopen, which I'm like, what the fuck? Really? And I've got that mix and 2 other masters to get done today, and they're not going to happen because I spent the last 2.5 hours trying to get Pro Tools to work, and it's still not working. So what does that mean? It's probably an all-nighter tonight. I'll go get home, take care of the kids, family, have dinner, and then get back to do an all-nighter, and it's so annoying. I can try to lop it over to tomorrow, but tomorrow I've got meetings in the morning. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 masters to get done and another mix. So it's like I can't put half of today's schedule onto tomorrow. That's almost impossible. And I know Friday is already getting loaded in with mastering sessions. So I don't know. As I'm saying this, for the first time, Pro Tools has just come up with the actual screen. It's not bouncing anymore, so it's scanning the plugins. Let's see if this freezes out. It's frustrating. Fuck. You know, it's just shit. It really is just a load of crap. I don't get it. So right now it's loaded all the way to a plugin, and then that plugin freezes it. And plugin cycling is just frustrating because it takes so long. I don't know why it takes this long to get the screen up to actually just start loading things. I'm just flabbergasted. Our Wave Shell is opening. We might have a breakthrough here. Messages coming in. It's got Wave Shell 2 of 9. That's promising. Maybe if I just keep talking, it'll fucking load the session. I'm seriously and genuinely frustrated. I've got 9 minutes until I have to leave, go get my kids picked up, and move on with my day. But this, yeah, I don't have a solution for this. I just thought I'd share it because it's just fucking annoying. And yeah, it's just annoying. Why the fuck, Pro Tools, do you crash like this? Do you spend 2 hours trying to fucking open? And I mean open, close, trash the preferences, redo the preferences. It was just fisting itself. It was really horrible. I just don't know. Yeah. You know, Pro Tools is good software for mixing. When it's working, it is what I would consider the best for mixing and mastering. But its biggest frustration is when shit hits the fan with it, as in there's a little bug or a little glitch or something. Guess what? Fucking all bets are off. It will absolutely fucking destroy you. And the reason is at a busy studio, when you've got fucking session after session, like my calendar is just booked back to back, and you have to spend 2 hours trying to fix something. Fuck no. Now, as a business owner, I should probably be a little bit more smart. I shouldn't be so stubborn and emotional, and should have just used my laptop. But I didn't, because I'm me, and I tend to do some stupid shit sometimes, and this is one of those times where I've wasted 2 hours trying to get Pro Tools to work. Look, it's just stuck there on the waves. Fuck. Still staring at the screen. This is how long it takes. But it's taking this long now. Any other day of the week, it would just fucking fly through it. And that's what I don't get. And sometimes it does is it just wants to like brain fart and be a cunt. My God. Initialize fucking everything. Initialize the fucking rocket launch. Get going, Pro Tools. Yes, the libraries too. All of it. Are you on? Are you good? Please, for the fucking love of God, open up my session. Okay? I will want to open this. I need to fucking open this. Can you do that? Right now, you have no clue. I've just spent the last 2.5 hours trying to troubleshoot Pro Tools, and my nuts are crossed at the moment because I just clicked on the session after Pro Tools opened to start that session because Pro Tools has not been opening for me. It's just been bouncing and bouncing. And I haven't even got my OBS open because I just want to fucking see if this works. Because if it works, I am fucking in the green. I can just relax a little bit. It's restoring my tracks. This is a big session, so I know it's going to take a while. But guys, I just spent the last 5 minutes crying to the camera about Pro Tools not opening for the last 2 hours. And it's genuinely fucking stressful as a studio owner, and it fucking kills me. But please, just fucking open, motherfucker. If you open, I'll give you lollies. I don't know if that's fucking enticing at all. Like, I don't even want to fucking touch the mouse or keyboard. If I freeze this fucker, it's dead. Come on. Come on, be good. Be good. Build the edit window. That's it. Build the operations window. You're going to open. Oh, man. You see my face there? That is the face of somebody who's just... Fuck yes, it's there. Okay. Beautiful. Now, is my Dropbox syncing? It's all fucking going. Oh, my God. It's working now. It's going to be a fucking all-nighter. Tonight's going to be an all-nighter. That's all I can say. I wasted 2.5 hours trying to get Pro Tools to open. I got it to open. Do I know how I got it to open? Who the fuck knows? I don't think I do. I just fucking opened the 700th time I tried after fucking dragging preferences and files. Who the fuck knows where? But it's open now. And 3-4 cans of Red Bull will get me through the night. And then I'll be fucking in the clear. This is stupidly frustrating, and I am just burnt out from the last 2-3 hours of doing sweet FA at the studio, except trying to get Pro Tools to work. The rest of my week is fucking stacked, and I have to manage it. That's why I did this video, because I'm like, I'm not fucking getting I have a really good video lined up for you, but I'm not fucking shooting it today because... And number one, I needed Pro Tools to shoot it, and Pro Tools was just like, fuck you. And I'm not spending time on fucking doing a video when I actually have these sessions to get out because my clients, Primo number one, YouTube channel, I love you guys, but at the end of the day, YouTube is like my side passion. I love it. It's creative, but my mixing and mastering sessions put food on the table, so I'm going to be back late at night, not shooting YouTube videos, but fucking getting these done. Oh, man. I wish I could, like, give you guys a lesson, but I just wanted you to see that, how do I put it? I come on the YouTube channel with fun ideas and energy, and whenever you see a thumbnail of just my face, you know I've went through some shit, or I have something to bitch and moan about, and that's today's video. It's like, Pro Tools, you're a cunt. And then any other day of the week, if somebody says I should try a different DAW, I'll be like, hell no, I'm using Pro Tools. Fuck no, Pro Tools is the best, which is just so fucking dumb and stupid. But that's just my old school brain mentality. You've been in this game for over a decade. You know, it's something I got to unlearn. When I have the luxury of time to do that, I will. Timer 2 minutes and I'm going to get my ass out of here and go pick up my kids. So I am off. Have a good day. Take care.